What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you how to use promo codes in Raid Shadow Legends. So if you're looking for a way to get those promo codes or claim those rewards via promo codes, well, this one is pretty simple and a straightforward process. Now first things first is you want to get a copy, or you want to copy the promo code that you want to use here. Now by the way, some promo codes may or are only available on certain time periods, so make sure that the promo code that you just have right now is still valid. So in Raid Shadow Legends here, you want to go to the left side here. So you have that 3-bar icon at the left side. You want to press on it, and you should see this drawer here. Now, you want to go and choose the promo codes option. Press on it, and it should give you this pop-up. So it's going to ask you, redeem your promo codes to get free gifts, much more. Promo codes are usually limited to 1 use per person. So you want to paste the promo codes that you have here, click on confirm, and that should allow you to claim your rewards via that promo code. Now, by the way, a promo code can only be used once. So if you already use this, or if you already use a promo code into your account, you won't be able to claim that again. You'll only get like an error message in here. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.